Hello, how are you? Family of Telemathematics. Welcome to a new video of our channel. So let's get started. To begin, let's define a square, which is a regular polygon with 4 equal sides and 4 right angles, in other words, 90 degrees. What are the elements of a square? The sides, the vertices, the angles, and the diagonals. Now, to calculate the perimeter of a square, you must know that it is defined as the sum of the lengths of the sides. For example, we have square ABCD, whose side lengths are shown in the figure. Then, applying the formula based on the given vertices, we would have, replacing the segments with their respective values, we have, solving the operations, we obtain that the perimeter of square ABCD is 8 cm. On the other hand, to calculate the area of a square, you must also know that it is defined as the square of the length of the side. For example, using the same figure from the previous example, the formula is where another of the segments could have been used. Replacing the element with its respective value, we get 2 cm square. Solving the operation, we obtain that the area of square ABCD is 4 cm square. Very good. I hope you have understood the topic, but if you have any questions, review the material again or let us know so we can help you.
If you liked the video, I encourage you to give it a like, to subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and to activate notifications so you can see the new topics that we will be releasing, to leave us your comments, and to share it with your friends. Until the next video,